Even things that look like problems, we have to appreciate that, because your higher self knows why you are going through this. Nothing is really a problem more so than a lesson that we must learn. We've been in these negative situations because of something we've done, or something, basically because of something we've done. The whole point of the negative situation is for us to learn the lesson out of everything. So be grateful for every situation that you're in. And once you start to do that, you will start to develop a higher knowledge of why you are in certain situations. Because most of the time, when a person is in a negative situation, they focus on that negative situation and they focus on the fact that it's negative, and you know how the universe works. It's just going to expand on you focusing on negativity, and it's going to send you more negative situations. But if you change your outlook, and if you take that negative situation and you focus on the positive in it, or why you are in it, and you ask for the higher knowledge and you learn from the lesson, you get different outcomes. You don't stay in that cycle of negativity, number one. And number two, you begin to be grateful for this learning lesson. And so automatically that transcends you out of that negative situation instead of repeating negativity. So now you were in this negative situation, you transcended it, now you're out of it, and now you can go back to being on a positive vibratory state versus being in a negative situation, focusing on it, attracting more negativity, focusing on it, attracting more negativity. Now you're stuck in that karmic cycle.